Hello traders, D7 here. This is Apple, AAPL. We're going back about 2 months, daily chart pattern. And I went back here, we're in November. We have a nice little run up. We go above the 20-day moving average. And here's our pullback. I love things that go over the 20-day moving average, and I love these little pullbacks. Here's a pullback. Let's go ahead and get a couple trend lines drawn here. I'm going to go down here and draw a trend line right there. I had a person ask in a previous video, why do I draw my trend lines like I do? Anytime I have a gap down, the white candlesticks means we open low, closed higher. Most of the time you'll get a stock that will, or a candlestick that will come down, close and open in the vicinity where it closed the previous candlestick. Here we closed here, we should have opened right there. We did not open there, we opened down. So a lot of times this happens from specialist behavior. They'll gap it down and then it will start to rise up. And that's what this one did. It was a gap down and then it come up. Just because one individual potentially had opened it at this location, specialist behavior again, I'm going to cut that off. And but the close, the market does. The market always closes a candlestick, so I will never cut off the close. So here, that's why I connected at this point. A lot of people will just go to the bodies regardless of if it was a gap or not. I don't do that. I draw mine tighter. And on the top side, again, I'm going to go to the white candlestick, to this white candlestick. Why am I cutting off the red ones? Again, it was a gap up and it came down. Who opens the day? A lot of times it's just the specialist. They'll take market behavior that's happened pre-market and they will open these stocks in areas different from where we closed the previous bar. Now, so I cut off, anytime I get gaps in these areas. So that's why I cut off these two red candlesticks. On my upper trend lines are always red candlesticks I'll cut off, and on my lower trend lines is always the white ones. So here's a nice pullback. We're looking for an entry. We're in here on the bounce. We're running up. We popped through the trend line, so I'm going to readjust it right there. And look at this, we're rolling over. See how we're rolling over there? So I'm in this trade. I got a tight stop, so if we start to head south, I don't want to give back anything. Fed's speaking tomorrow, 2:15 Eastern Standard Time, and be happy to take the profits. I've got a nice gain here. Hope all's well, and make sure you visit all the different videos that are out there. Fantastic videos. Click the upper right corner of your screen that says register. Log in, register. Get registered so you can communicate, leave comments to our videos, and be able to chat inside our forum. Take care. Happy trading.